Hello again. Today began with a bang, rapidly warmed up and then cooled down. As a trough approached Melbourne, it had enough instability to bring not just that light rain, but lightning strikes too. Lots of them covering the sky and occasionally hitting the ground. This was between about 4:30 and 6:30 a.m. The radar looks impressive, but the air was too dry for much rain to fall. Instead, the dry lightning can start fires and produce damaging winds. By the morning commute, it was all over, but the delays lingered. Sunshine returned and so did the warmth until a weak cool change slowly cooled it down in the early afternoon. So it was 23 degrees at 2 a.m. That was our coolest part of the night. 27 at 5 a.m, 30 at 1 p.m, then back down to 23 by mid-afternoon. A roller coaster. Suburbs to the north and east climbed a bit higher as the cool change arrived a bit later. Here's the band of thunderstorms. Quite a large band, but with limited moisture. It's a lightning show, gusty winds and not much else. A trough brings the storms, then a cool change that is slowly travelling northeastward. So it was 21 in Portland and Warrnambool. Bairnsdale peaked at 37 degrees, then dropped to 24 a few hours later. Our activity is the very end of a big band of cloud coming down from the northwest. From here, the next high pressure system, that one back over there, lingering back to our west, and so we begin another mild stretch. Meanwhile, Cyclone Kirrily developed in the past few hours. Townsville is in its sights with a crossing tomorrow night. It's a Category 2 by then, which is low on the scale. But the remains of this system should spread rain across a large part of central and then western Queensland. With the path now moving inland over there and not into the southeast, the cricket looks dry for day 1 and 2 in Brisbane. Around the nation tomorrow, that cyclone comes into the coast at night near Townsville and then heads inland Brisbane. Lots of sunshine. There is this huge band of cloud and rain stretching from the west, but again the rain peters out before reaching us. The ranges and north have the clouds and potential storms. Like today, there is the risk of lightning strikes that can start fires, along with damaging winds, but hardly any rain. The southwestern half is mild and should be all dry during the day. Closer in, during the day tomorrow, generally dry. There is the risk of a bit of lightning and a spit of rain here across the north. Then watch a bit of light rain come down from the ranges. Here it comes during the evening hours tomorrow. So the city should be dry all through the day. I'm expecting it to peak about 24 in a mix of sun and cloud. Tomorrow night we'll get some light rain developing, spreading through and continuing into Friday morning. But Australia Day improves as it goes on, expecting 23. 23 on Saturday, a shower in the morning, then turning dry. The same for Sunday, but 24. The next hot one is due on Monday, but it's one day only, a top of about 32, back down to 23 next Tuesday. So it should peak around 24, a mix of sun and cloud. Now we do have a possible thunderstorm in the north during the day tomorrow, then that light rain developing at night, Mitch.
What a bizarre summer it's been.
Indeed.
Thank you, Jane.